Done. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and in this video I decided to show you guys what I do to my hair when my straight hair is done for it, and I just am trying to push it for another week. So just keep on watching. So right here, this is the Remington Waver. It's my sister's, it's not mine, so I don't know where she got it from. So I'm going to be using this Joico K-Pack Color Therapy Dry Oil Spray to help to reduce the amount of frizz that I have in my hair, as well as some shine, and then also it doubles as a heat protectant. So that is a bonus because I am not trying to get heat damage. So I clamp down at my roots and I leave it on for 10 seconds. And then once the 10 seconds is up, then I'll move to the next section, or where the last wave stops at. And then I just continue to repeat this until I finish with a section. So pretty much this is going to be repetitive. So what I'm going to do is just speed up this video, and I will come back with you guys when I have something important to say. And I choose this method over using a curling iron because I find that this method lasts longer to me. I can probably get like a week or two out of this without having to retouch up any pieces within my hair. Because as I'm filming this now, doing this voiceover, I've already washed my hair, but I literally still had curls in my hair, and it's like 2 weeks after I filmed this video. take that what is that I'm using? Oh, the Joyco K-Pack Dry Oil Spray. And I'm going to spritz this in my hair once again just to add a little extra shine to my hair. And I'm going to let that sit until my curls cool down, or waves cool down, I'm sorry. Then I'm going to add 2 drops of the Dove serum to my hands, and then I'm going to scrunch that and rake that through my hair just to break up the curls so I won't cause any frizz. Hope you guys enjoyed my video. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.